Hello and welcome to another video about the scan and cut. Now I've had an email from Gillian. Gillian would like to know how to create toppers where the sentiment is drawn by the machine and the topper is then cut out separately. Now by far the easiest way to do this is in Canvas Workspace. So I have logged in and I am now loading in a few basic shapes. Now that I have those shapes on the mat, I'm just going to select them all and drag them out of the way. And then I will load in some text, and I'll do a variety of different text styles so you can see how to go about this. Now that I have a variety of different text styles on screen, I'm just going to edit this text box and I will retype the word happy and then press D on my keyboard to duplicate that and then edit the second box to read birthday. I'll then use the alignment tools from my edit menu to make sure it's all lined up. And now I will group them. This means that when I resize one, the other will resize as well. So there we have a variety of different text styles in the different toppers. What I'm doing now is holding down my Shift key and clicking on each of those shapes, and now I will open the Properties dialog box. In here we can change the shape to be either a cutting line or a drawing line. So I've now set all four shapes to be cutting lines. I'm now going to select the text and I will set that to be a drawing line. Now I made a mistake here, so I can individually change these to be drawing lines or cutting lines. And I can also go through and double check each one individually as well if I need to. Once you've sorted everything out, do group your text and your shape together, because then when you resize the shape, it will also resize the actual text. Now just before I go, here's a very quick way of repeating that design. so that you can cut out and draw lots at once. With your grouped shape, press D on your keyboard and then move the shape roughly to where you need it to be. You can then align it and then group all of those together, resize those, and then duplicate that group by again pressing D on your keyboard. This is a very quick and simple way of creating multiple text toppers where you've got individual draw lines for the text and individual cut lines for the topper. So I hope that helped, Gillian. And if anybody else has any questions, please do feel free to get in touch. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do share this video with anybody that you think will be interested. And of course, I will leave details on screen here of more videos that you might like to watch. And just before you go, please could I ask that you give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications of future videos. Thanks. See you again next time.